Guys, in this video we are going to make cheese garlic naan. For that we'll take 1/4 cup maida, 1 tablespoon salt, finely chopped garlic as per your taste, 1 tablespoon baking powder and half tablespoon baking soda. And then we will take 2 tablespoon yogurt, 2 tablespoon oil and half cup milk. We have added all that materials that we have shown you and we will mix it well. And we will pour some milk in this batter and we will mix it. And then we will add some oil in it. Just see friends, our dough is ready and we will cover it for 1 hour. And we have kneaded this dough very carefully and properly, and this process is very important. See friends, our dough is ready. 1 hour is passed. And now we will take out one portion of it and we will roll it. And we have kept the tawa on gas to heat. Now we will roll the naan like this. Then we will apply some water on it. Apply water on the back side of it. And we will put this naan on the tawa where we have applied some water, and we have applied some water on top of this. Then we will sprinkle some grated cheese like this. And just see these bubbles. These are very nice. And we have applied some water. And then we will upside down this tawa like this, and you will flame up this, and just see this is being ready like this. See, our naan is ready. And we will apply some butter on it. And we will do same process to another naan, and we will put some water on it, and this side will be going on the tawa like this. And we will apply some water on it to be smooth. And we'll sprinkle some cheese. This is the same process that we have done on the earlier naan. To settle this cheese, we'll apply some water on this cheese to set. And we will upside down this tawa like this. And just see, it's firing up. And we will apply some butter on it, and it tastes so nice. Just see friends, our cheese garlic naan is ready to eat. Don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon and never miss another update from Sweet Cuisine. Thank you and enjoy.